So here we go with the second position of the minor pentatonic scale. We're using the E minor pentatonic scale. Last time, just to remind you, this is the first position. And the second position starts on the second note, which will be this one. It's a G, but we're playing in E minor, remember? So you start off with the second finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, 2, 4th finger on the 5th fret, then 1st finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th finger again, 5th fret, moving on to the 3rd string, 1st finger, 2nd fret, 4th finger, 5th fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st finger, to the 3rd finger, that's on the 4th fret, moving on to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 5th fret, 4th finger, and the 1st string is the same thing again, 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 5th fret, 4th finger. There's a lot of explanation, I'll just play it slowly. And coming back. You notice there are no open strings in this one. If you're used to only playing open strings, it's time to step up to the next level. I've got someone doing acrobatics outside in the plane I can hear. So I'm going to play a few ideas you can use with this with. Now for many of you beginners, probably using all the fingers in this way is going to be quite a challenge, particularly if you're not really used to doing things like this. So it's going to take some time and some control, but it's very much worth it. That's it for this lesson. We'll move on to the third position in the next lesson. See you then.